Good afternoon. Today's topic is functions. So now, what is function? So function, take two sets A and B, capital A and capital B, let two sets and both are non-empty. So A and B are two non-empty sets. A function f defined from set A to the set B is a correspondence which associates of each element of set A to exactly one unique element of set B. So draw two sets A and B, two non-empty sets A and B. Function. Draw two sets A and B, both are non-empty. This is one set and this is another set. Okay, so this is a set A and this is B. Both are non-empty set and F is a relation from A to B. So this is F, this is F. Now A set elements are suppose 1, 2, 3 and B set elements are A, B and C. So 1 related to A, 2 to B and 3 to C. Okay, so A and B are two non-empty sets. A function f defined from set A to set B is a correspondence which associates each element of set A is exactly one unique element of set B. So we write it is f such that A tends to B. That means from A set to B set. So B is called the image set, and A is called pre-image. So first set is A, second set is B. So B set is called image set and A set is pre-image. Now types of functions. Types of function. Types of function. The first is one function or injective function. One another name is injective. So one function. One function. What is one function? A function if x tends to y, x and y are two non-empty sets, is said to be one or injective function if the images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. That means images of distinct elements of x means first set elements. So first set elements is pre-image and image is second set element, that is y. If first set is x, second set is y. So images of distinct elements of x are distinct. Okay? So for every x1 belongs to x2 is capital X, if two element if you take, then fx1 equal to fx2. So what type is one function? Say, take two sets x and y. This is one set and this is, take another set. Okay. This is another set. Now x, this is x and this is y, two set, and x set elements are take 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and y set element a b c d, a b c d. Okay, and this is f, this is f. So 1 corresponds to A, 2 corresponds to C, 3 corresponds to B, and 4 to D. So take, that means 1 A, 2 B, 3 D, or 4 C. Okay, see, distinct elements of x means separate element, distinct elements of x under f. So its images are distinct. See, image of 1 2 3 4 are pre-image set. So image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is D, and image of 4 is C. So they are distinct images. So this is one function. So this function is 1 1, that is f f such that x tends to y. Clear? 1 1 function, a function f such that x tends to y is said to be 1 1 or injective if the images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. Images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. That means separate. Separate element, they are separate images. So, for every x1, x2 belongs to x, take two elements of x, x1, x2, this belongs to x, two elements. Suppose two element x1, x2, that is x set element, free-image set. Then this imply fx1 equal to fx2. F of x1 equal to f of x2. This is condition of 1 1 function. Then x1 equal to x2. x1 equal to x2. Okay. If we show x1 equal to x2, and you take two elements and show x1 equal to x2, then we can say it is 1 1 function. Okay? Clear? Hello? Okay, all of you understand 1 1 function?
Yes.
This is 1 1 function. x1 equal to x2, and this is the mathematical condition. When we will do the sum, you have to do this. Take two elements x1, x2 and use fx1 equal to fx2. This is the condition of 1 1. If you will get after calculation x1 equal to x2, then you can say this function is 1 1. This is working rule. Now, many one function, many one. See the name many one, that means two pre-images, one image, many one. See, this is one set and this is another set. One, two, 3, 4, A, B, C, ABC. Now, one to A and 2 also. Image of 1 is A and image of 2 also A. And then 3, image of 3 is B, and image of 4 C. See, two elements 1 and 2. This is first set, this is X set, and this is Y set. So two elements of X set 1 and 2 having same image, that is A. So this is many one. This is many one function. Many one. Clear? Many one. Hello? This is
Yes,
many,
sir.
This is many one. So two elements having their same image. So it is many one function. Now, onto function. Onto. Onto function. So onto function, a function f, x tends to y, that means first set is x, second set is y. is said to be onto or surjective. Another name is surjective. If every element of Y, that means second set, is the image of some element of X, every element of Y is the image of some element of X under F. That means every element of Y has at least one pre-image in X. So onto function is which type of function? Every element of Y, that means image set, second set, has at least one pre-image in X. That means every element of second set has one pre-image. This is the condition. Then it is onto function. Then it is onto function. Now, draw an onto function. One, two, three, four elements are first set, that is pre-image. 1, 2, 3, 4, and image is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So every element of Y set has at least one, exactly one pre-image. That means suppose one image is B, two image is A, three image is C, and four image is D. Okay. So this is first set is X, second set is Y. This is X and this is Y. So every element of Y has at least one pre-image. See, no element are there having no pre-image. All element A, B, C, D has pre-image 1, 2, 3, 4. So no element left without pre-image. So this is onto function. So this is onto. Now one more example you see onto function. One, two, three, four. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. So one image is A, two also same image A, then three image is B, and four image is C. Okay, this is X set X and this is Y. Second one is Y. Now see the second set, that is image set, one element D. See, having no pre-image. So D is the element has no pre-image. So this is not onto. This is not onto function. This is not onto. So one element D, that one left, it has no pre-image. No pre-image. So this is not onto. Clear? Onto function. Hello?
Yes, sir.
See this one example, one element D, it has no pre-image. So this type of function is not onto. Now, into function, into. So this is not onto, that means this is into function. We can say this is into. This function is into function. This is into function. So a function f such that x tends to y is said to be into function if there exists even a single element in B. That means y set, second set. Single element in y having no pre-image. So this is into. So which one? Not onto, that is into. So one element D, it has no pre-image. So this type function is called actually into function. This is not onto. Okay? Now, which function is one on and onto? One on onto.
Yes, sir.
This is one on onto. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, then A, B, C, C, A, B, C and D. D. So, one on and onto function, that means suppose image of 1 is C, image of 2 is A, okay, image of 3 is B, and image of 4 is D. See, so this type of function is 1 1 onto. See, no element left which has no pre-image. All element A, B, C, D has pre-image 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the elements, their image is distinct element, distinct image. See, one element image is C. So 2 image is A, 3 image is B, and 4 image is D. So distinct element, distinct image. Okay, so that is 1 1, and no element left which has no pre-image. So this type is 1 1 on 2. This is 1 1 on 2. Okay, 1 on 2. Now, this is one set, first set, and this is second set. Okay, so 1 elements are first set element, 2, 3, A, B, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 4 elements. So this is X set. This is Y set, second set. So we know first set is pre-image set and second set is image set. So now what is domain? Domain means elements of first set, that is X set elements. So domain equal to first set elements, that is X set elements. Elements are 1, 2, 3. So this is domain. First set elements are domain, and second set all the elements are codomain. So second set elements are A, B, C, D. Second set all the elements are codomain, and first set all the elements are domain. Now range. So 1 is an element, its image is A. 2 is an element, image is B, and 3 is an element, image is C, and one element is left, D, has no pre-image. So range equal to image only, image set only. Range means image only. That means A, B, C. A, B, C. So these are domain, codomain and range. Domain means all the elements of first set, that is domain. Codomain means all the elements of second set, that is codomain. And range is only image set, image. So A, B, C are the element, image whose pre-image is 1, 2, 3. So A, B, C are range. D is the element which has no pre-image. So that is not a range. Okay? So these are domain, codomain and range. Clear? Hello? What is domain, codomain and range? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, see one problem. How to show one function is 1, 1. Okay. So fx equal to, one example, fx equal to 2x. Fx is a function equal to 2x, and if such that capital N tends to capital N, that means capital N means natural number. The first set and second set, all the elements are N, natural number. N tends to N means A to B, that is first set to second set. So all the elements are natural number. So show that f is 1, 1. So how to show this function is 1 function. So we know from the definition of 1 so take two elements x1 x2 belongs to n, two elements x1 x2 belongs to n. Now fx1 equal to, we know the condition of 1 fx1 equal to fx2, fx1 equal to fx2, so fx1 equal to 2x1. This imply 2x1 equal to fx2 is 2x2. So from both sides 2 cancel, that is x1 equal to x2. So x1 equal to x2. So therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1 function. Okay, so how to prove? Take any two elements x1 x2 belongs to n, n means natural number, so fx1 is 2x1, fx2 is 2x2, so condition is fx1 equal to fx2, so 2x1 equal to 2x2, 2 cancel, x1 equal to x2. So if we get x1 equal to x2, that means it is 1 1 function. So it is 1 1. So how to show 1 1 function? Understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.